Articulate, pronounced articulate, adjective. When someone is articulate, they can express their thoughts clearly, smoothly, and with confidence, so listeners easily understand exactly what they mean. Two close synonyms are eloquent and fluent. For example, she gave an articulate speech that impressed the entire panel. Adulterate, pronounced a-dul-ta-rate. It's a verb. To adulterate something means to make it weaker, poorer, or impure by adding a different and often inferior substance to it. Think of someone secretly mixing cheap filler into a pure product, so it's no longer the real thing. Synonyms include contaminate and dilute. Here's an example. Dishonest sellers often adulterate the honey with cheap syrup. The word is conundrum. Pronounced as conundrum, it is a noun. A conundrum refers to a puzzle or a problem that is difficult to solve. For example, the detective was faced with a conundrum as the evidence pointed to two different suspects. Ostentatious. Ostentatious. Adjective. Designed to impress in a showy or extravagant way. Synonyms: showy, pretentious. He arrived at the party in an ostentatious gold sports car that everyone stared at. Anomaly, pronounced a-nom-a-ly. It's a noun. An anomaly is something that breaks the normal pattern. It stands out because it doesn't fit what you'd usually expect to see. Scientists and analysts use it for any odd result or strange detail that just isn't normal. Two close synonyms are irregularity and aberration. Example: the scientists noticed a strange anomaly in the data. Banal, pronounced ba-nal. This is an adjective. It describes something so ordinary, predictable, and overused that it has lost any freshness or interest. The kind of dull, unoriginal thing you've heard or seen 1,000 times before. For example, his speech was full of banal cliches that bored the entire audience. Denigrate, pronounced den-I-grate. It's a verb. To denigrate someone or something means to criticize them unfairly, to talk them down and make them seem worthless or unimportant. People often do it to damage another person's reputation. Synonyms include belittle and disparage. For example, he tried to denigrate her achievements in front of the whole team. Acrimony, pronounced a-ca-mo-ny. It's a noun. Acrimony is the sharp, bitter anger that fills an argument or disagreement, that harsh, hostile tone people use when feelings have really turned sour. You'll often hear it in the phrase, "the divorce ended in acrimony." For example, the two former friends parted with such acrimony that they never spoke again. Erudite, pronounced erudite. This is an adjective. It describes a person who has deep, wide knowledge gained from years of reading and serious study, the kind of thoughtful, well-read mind that seems to know something about almost every subject. Two close synonyms are scholarly and learned. For example, the erudite professor could discuss ancient history, physics, and poetry with equal ease. Fastidious, pronounced as fastidious. It is an adjective meaning very attentive to and concerned about accuracy and detail. Synonyms include meticulous and exacting. For example, the fastidious editor spent hours checking the article for a single punctuation error.